Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to install SteamOS on any supported PC and transform into a Steam Deck or gaming console. Now you can ask me, why SteamOS? Then I'll say, early access of native game support, which comes into other platforms years after. So if you want to enjoy latest games, you must have to install SteamOS. Transform your PC into gaming console. First, you need to understand your system specifications. Here are those, the supported specifications. If your system matches the specs, then you can go ahead. But in this video, I'll use my Ryzen 5600G and Intel Arc A750 GPU to install SteamOS, but the process for other PCs will remain same. So first, open your browser and search for Holo ISO. You'll find the link, open it. Here you can see Holo ISO specs and support. You can read it. Here's the hardware details which support your system. Now if you want to download the ISO file, scroll a little bit. Here you can see releases. Click on here and here you'll find the ISO file. If you don't find the ISO link, then just click on here to join Holo Telegram, and in Telegram you'll find the link to download Holo ISO or SteamOS link. Anyway, the direct to download the link will be given in the description. Now on your browser, search for Bentai. Open it. Click on Downloads. This is the Windows. Click on Windows. Click on Download Latest. Wait a few seconds. Download is completed. Open it. Select this folder and drag and drop it to the desktop. Now open the folder. Here you can find Bentai disk. Double tap on it. Click on Yes. Now it's opened. Minimize this. Here you can see the pen drive is detected. Now click on Option. Click on Partition Style. Select GPT. Now click on Install. Type Yes. Click on OK. Now click on Yes. Click on Yes. Wait a few seconds. Now it's done. Click on OK. Close it. Open this PC. Here you can see Bentai is here. Go to Download. Select the ISO file. Click on Copy. Go to this PC and open Bentai. Paste it to here. Wait a few minutes to complete the process. Now it is done. Close it and restart your PC and access the boot menu. To access the boot menu, you can open this photo. Otherwise, you can search in Google. Now, from the boot menu, you'll have to select a pen drive and hit on the Enter key. Now, from Bentai, select Holo ISO and hit on the Enter key. Select boot in normal mode. Now select Arch Linux Installer x86. Wait a few seconds. Now you can use it or test it. Click on Skip. Now you'll have to click on Install Holo ISO. Double tap on it. Click on Next. Now select the drive where you want to install SteamOS. Click on here, and here you can see in my case it is NVMe. Select your disk. You can see the name downloaded green I'm using. Put your username. Now choose your password. Now click on Install. It's saying, are you sure you want to continue with installation? If you click on yes, you'll lose everything on your SSD or drive you have selected to install SteamOS. Click on yes. Now you'll have to wait until the process is completed. Now when it's completed, you can see it's showing you may reboot your device. Click on OK. Now click on Restart. Click on Restart. In this stage, this OS needs internet connection. You'll have to connect your PC to the internet by using internet cable, because in this stage, your PC will pass Wi-Fi issues. Choose your language by using mouse or a keyboard. Select your language, select your timeline, select your internet connection. Now you'll have to log in or create an account for SteamOS. Now it's logged in. Now you can play free games, games for sale, new release games. Congratulations. Now you can see SteamOS is successfully installed to my PC. Now I can play free games, buy games, whatever I want. If you find any issue or any problem, let me know in the comment section below.